Hey YouTube, Indoor Tech here. Got another video for you on Kodi repos. Today I'm going to do things a little different. I'll put the links in my description and follow along. I want to thank everybody for supporting me. I want to, if you like my videos or not, please comment below. Let me know what I can make better. And if you do like them and want to follow my Kodi tutorials, please consider subscribing to my channel. And here we go. We need to first, here's my links are in a notepad, but what we're going to do is actually go to the repository site and download straight there. This is going to be Supremacy and Exodus, two real good add-ons I like for Kodi. It's real small. You don't really need a build. This will do pretty much most everything you need to do. Let's copy my link. This is the GitHub page. The repository we're looking for is Kodi Bay, right down here at the bottom. Let's click on it and download. And that's going to go to your downloads folder. Just make sure you know where it is. Let's go ahead and get the other one. Remove that one and paste it in. It's repository Supremacy. Just click on it and it'll download to your downloads folder. All good there. Just going to tell it here to show in folder. We'll get these two copied. I like to put them straight to the root of C. It makes them a lot easier to find when you get in your Kodi. Let's paste. Continue. All right. Now we'll get into our Kodi. First thing you want to do is go to your settings icon, your system, add-ons. We've got to turn on unknown sources. Hit yes. And now we'll go back. We're not going to go to file manager this time. You go to add-ons in your open file box, install from zip file, and now we're going to find those two repos we downloaded. So remember they're on C, Kodi Bay. Now let's go again. Install from zip file, C, and Supremacy. All right. Now we can install from repository, Kodi Bay, video add-ons. And what I want here is the Exodus. It's not Exodus Redux. This is regular Exodus. Click on that and install. Hit OK. I'll get everything it needs installed in there. Just give it a few seconds to get its thing done. Alright, it's there. Now we can go back. Install from the Supremacy Repo. Video add-ons. I like Yoda. And just give it a few seconds to get installed. There's some other good add-ons in these repositories if you want to go through them and try them out. Supremacy there is good. So now let's go back. To our home screen. And there we have Exodus and Yoda. Some updates telling you what's changed. I'm going to also do a second part to this video because I don't really like messing around with open load. So we're going to get rid of that in my next video. Make sure you consider to subscribe and hit notifications so you'll see when that video comes out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.